Hi, everybody. I want to talk to you about some of my thoughts concerning hope. If you find them helpful, feel free to use them. If not, throw them in the garbage. First off, I think we can all agree that at some time or other in our lives, especially in difficult situations, we all hoped about what we would like the future to be, how we want things to turn out. Remember, hope is always a future-oriented thing. Hope is our desire that the future turn out a certain way, a way that meets our own specific needs. I think that having hope does serve a purpose. It can keep us motivated and excited about some future outcome that we are working toward. It can also keep our spirits up when we are working through a difficult situation. Hope can also help us in dealing with monkey mind, especially when monkey mind wants to run us off that cliff with the worst possible scenarios waiting to happen to us somewhere in the future. So I think that having hope does serve a positive purpose in our lives. But we must be aware that hope can also be a two-edged sword. Hope, if not properly used, can be a cause of suffering for us as well. Remember the saying, comparison is the thief of joy. If we are comparing the future we are hoping for with the reality of our current situation, we may be causing suffering for ourselves, confirming that we are unhappy with our current reality and wishing it to be something different. We also learned about living in the now. If our mind is focused on the future, on the things we are hoping for, we are living in the future, a future that doesn't exist. And we are not living in the now, the only thing that is real. We also learned about acceptance. When we hope for something to be different, we are not accepting our current reality. Again, the only thing that is real. So when we are dealing with hope, I believe it is important that we be mindful about how we are using it. Yes, hope can be a positive thing for us, but hope can also be a problem. If hope causes us to dwell in the future, and this keeps us away from accepting the reality of the present, then hope might not be helpful to us. Our present reality is all that is real, and we should try our best to work with the reality that we have. We must be careful not to fall into the trap of ignoring the present while we wait for the magical answer somewhere out there in the future, an answer that may never come. Remember, our reality is in the now, the only thing that is real, the only thing that we can affect. Hope lies in the future, a future that is not real, a future that doesn't exist, a future that may never come. Don't miss opportunities to make your present reality better because you are waiting for the future to do that for you. Well, some things to think about. More to come. Stay safe and healthy. Bye now.